Hey everyone, welcome back to Talking Insurance Hawks, your go-to guide for mastering your finances. Taxes can be stressful, but today we're diving deep into tax season to make it easier for you. We'll cover key deadlines you can't miss, especially for IRA contributions. Missing those deadlines? That's like leaving free money on the table. We'll also uncover common tax mistakes people make. Stick around, and by the end of this video you'll be way ahead of the game and feeling confident about your taxes. Alright, let's jump right into it. The number one piece of advice I can give you for tax season is this: start early. Don't wait until the last minute. Seriously, when you wait until the last minute to file your taxes, it's a recipe for disaster. You're more likely to make mistakes, miss out on valuable deductions, and it's just plain stressful. So, what can you do right now to get ahead of the game? Start gathering your documents. Think of it like a treasure hunt for W-2S, 1099-S, and receipts for any business expenses. Next up, get organized. Create a system for your files, whether it's physical folders or using apps on your phone. Having a dedicated space for all things tax-related will save you so much time and hassle later on. Let's talk deadlines, because these are not suggestions, people. Missing a tax deadline can lead to penalties, fees, and a whole lot of unnecessary stress. For most of us, the magic date is April 15th. That's when your federal income tax return is due. If you're really in a bind, you can file for an extension, which gives you an extra 6 months to get your paperwork in order. But here's the catch. Filing an extension only gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. So, if you owe taxes, you still need to estimate how much you owe and pay it by April 15th to avoid penalties. This date is also super important for your IRA contributions. Mark your calendars, set reminders on your phone, do whatever you have to do to remember these crucial deadlines. Taxes can be confusing, I get it. There are forms, schedules, and a whole bunch of jargon that can make your head spin. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you and help you avoid some of the most common tax mistakes. First up, mistakes on your return. It seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people make careless errors. We're talking about typos in your social security number, incorrect filing status, even forgetting to sign your return. These mistakes might seem small, but they can lead to processing delays, which means you'll be waiting longer for your refund. So, before you hit that submit button, double, triple check everything. Next, let's talk about underreporting income. The IRS receives copies of your W-2S, 1099-S, and other income statements, so trying to hide income is a big no-no. Make sure all the income you earned throughout the year is accounted for on your tax return. And finally, don't overlook deductions and credits. These are your secret weapons to lower your taxable income and potentially get a bigger refund. Take the time to explore all the deductions and credits you might be eligible for. It could save you a ton of money. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about some other time-sensitive contributions that could seriously benefit you this tax season. First up, the Health Savings Account, or HSA for short. If you have a high-deductible health plan, an HSA is like a triple threat. Contributions are tax-deductible, the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free when used for qualified medical expenses. For 2024, you can contribute up to $3,850 for individuals and $7,750 for families. And if you're 55 or older, you get a catch-up contribution limit of an extra $1,000. Just remember, the deadline to contribute for 2024 is also April 15th, 2025, so don't miss out. Next, let's talk about 529 college savings plans. If you're saving for a child's education, these plans are a no-brainer. Contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free when used for qualified education expenses. Check your state's rules. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Okay, it's time to talk about actually filing your taxes. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be a nightmare. Here are some tips to make the process as smooth and painless as possible. First things first, embrace the digital age and file electronically. E-filing is the way to go, my friends. It's faster, more accurate, and you're less likely to make mistakes compared to filing by mail. Plus, you'll usually get your refund much faster. Speaking of refunds, make sure you choose direct deposit. This way, the IRS will deposit your refund directly into your bank account so you don't have to wait for a check in the mail. If your taxes are super complicated, consider hiring a tax professional. They can help you navigate the intricacies of the tax code and make sure you're taking advantage of every deduction and credit you deserve. There you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to conquer tax season like a true financial pro. Remember, taxes don't have to be scary if you're prepared. Start early, gather your documents, understand the deadlines, and take advantage of all the resources available to you. And if you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a tax professional for guidance. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. What are your biggest tax season challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's help each other out and make this the best tax season yet. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks delivered straight to your feed. And for a limited time, I'm offering viewers like you a free estate plan when you purchase insurance through us. Just click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, taking control of your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay informed, and celebrate your wins along the way. And as always, I'm here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. Now go out there and crush your financial goals. I'll see you in the next video.